Hi, you are watching Best Handheld Air Compressors Reviews. Number 1, Yago SmartPro 2.0 AC/DC Digital Tire Inflator.
Introducing the Yago SmartPro 2.0 AC/DC Digital Tire Inflator. It's perfect for inflating car, truck, and SUV tires, and includes accessory nozzles for sports balls and other inflatables, featuring an easy-to-read blue backlit LCD screen, flashlight and emergency SOS signal, and smart pressure automatic shutoff technology that lets you pre-select your target pressure for easy and accurate inflating every time. To start inflating, simply select your power supply source, AC for home wall sockets, or DC when using the built-in adapter with your car accessory port. To select the unit of pressure, press the M button to switch between PSI, bar, and kPa. To set the preset shutoff pressure, press and hold either the plus or minus button for 3 seconds. Then adjust up or down using the plus and minus keys. After a few seconds, the setting will be saved. Remove the built-in hose from the bottom of the air compressor. Then remove your tire valve stem cap. Attach the twist-on chuck to the valve stem and secure by tightening. Power on the unit by pressing the on switch on top of the handle. When the tire reaches the preset value, the inflator will automatically shut off and stop pumping air. The bleeder valve behind the nozzle can be used to release excess air from overinflation with a simple press. Remove the twist-on chuck from the tire valve stem and replace the valve stem cap. The power cord and air hose can be conveniently wrapped and stowed neatly in the bottom of the inflator. Yago Superior Products SmartPro 2.0 AC/DC Digital Tire Inflator makes tire inflation easy and portable to ensure your inflating needs are met wherever you go.
Number 2, Handheld Air Compressors. 2.0 SCFM at 90 psi allows for quick compressor recovery time, per ISO 1217. 1.5 gallons tank and shroud is easy to carry, includes water drain valve and rubber feet. 150 psi max tank pressure stores more air in the tank for longer tool run times. Durable oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. Pump lubrication, oil-free pump design. Low amp 120V motor starts easily in cold weather with extension cord. Number 3, Kensan Compressor. You get enormous customer service support from one of the most trusted names in automotive accessories. The tire inflator is perfect for use indoors and during the travel as it is designed with AC and DC power cords. This portable air compressor comes with a pair of accessory nozzles. If you have Schrader valve, you may need an additional adapter. Specific characteristics: analog pressure gauge. Number 4, Slime Compressor. Inflates a standard car tire from flat to full in just 6 minutes. Inflate Right technology. Inflator automatically stops when the desired pressure level is reached. Features a bright LED light for nighttime emergencies. Easy to read digital display. 0 to 99 psi. Powerful and compact, with rubberized feet for stability. Number 5, Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.